So we got the Fayee Fy002 with MN wheels and B36 ready to run electronics. A little bit of a spare parts build. Let's have some fun. So those of you who have an Fy002, you know that the steering box is very noisy, so it's nice to eliminate that and actually have some proportional steering. And plenty of power there in the WPL electronics. So for a spare parts build, I'm actually happy how this thing's performing. A strong Fayee motor helping with the engine braking, really helping with the sense. I reckon I can get up this. Yes. Really like the blue colour. Yeah, blue's faster. So yes, I had a good bit of fun with this on the trail today. Not a bad little budget setup at all. So I did say in the video we've got the Fy002, but I've got a WPL servo in there, WPL B36 ready to run electronics, and yeah, it makes for a good little recipe. And obviously, sorry, I forgot to mention the MN tyres. So a good thing about the B36 ready to run electronics, you get the full kit. You get the transmitter, you get the all-in-one receiver and ESC board, you get all the wires that you need to link it up, and you also get a 500 milliamp 7.4 volt battery. What's good about this, I actually run this on the 6 volt, and the B36 electronics have actually got a low voltage cutoff, which I was very surprised with. So those of you that have owned an Fy002, you'll know full well how noisy and horrible that steering box is. So now we've got a nice quiet, fully proportional steering setup. And yeah, I must admit the strong Fayee motor combined with these electronics were more than enough to tackle the trail, and it kept up with the MN99 today. So yeah, just thought I'd have a little say before ending the video. So yeah, cheers for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.